One morning, Aziel woke up and reflected on the other animals, and found that he looked totally different. So, he went and asked his mother, "Mommy, why do we have a hump?" "Our humps are for storing water, so we can live in the desert," replied his mother. "Okay, and why do we have rounded feet, Mommy?" said Aziel. The mother replied, "Because they help us walk comfortably in the desert. These legs also help us move around in the sand." "Okay, but why are our eyelashes long?" asked Aziel. "To protect our eyes from the desert dust and sand," replied his mother. The baby camel thought for a while and said, "So we have a hump to store water for desert journeys, rounded hooves to keep us comfortable when we walk in the desert sand, and long eyelashes to protect us from sand and dust during a desert storm. Then what are we doing in this zoo?" The mother was stunned and was unable to answer her child's question. Your strengths, skills, and knowledge are useless if you aren't in the right place.